Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule product launches on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your account. Then, from the left hand menu, click on Products. Now, click on the product you want to launch later. In the product settings, find the status option and change it to draft if it's not already. Next, click on the Manager button next to the sales channels. Here, select the online store or any other channel where you want to publish the product. After that, click on Done to confirm. Now, under the online store section, you'll see an option to set a date and time for the product to go live. Then, click on it and choose your desired launch date and time. Once you've selected it, click on Done. Finally, click on Save in the top right corner to finish. Your product is now scheduled and automatically go live on the date and time you selected. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.